Hi, my name is Cindy and I have been studying early childhood education for 2.5 years at Montmorency College. In this program, I have courses about the child's development and how to stimulate the growth of children depending on their level. So, as a future educator, I will have to create activities with definite purposes for the learning experience of the children. Fortunately, I know a website that can help me find some ideas, give me tools for activities, and learn tricks about children. It's called Educatall, and today I will show you how to use it. So first, you can open a Google page and write Educatall. You can click on the first link. As you can see, there is the logo in the top left corner of the screen with a beautiful flower. There are different features in the website, and today I will show you 3 of them. The first one is the search bar. So you can use it to find a specific thing that you are looking for. For example, if I want to know how to create mud, I will write it in the text area. As you can see, you have different options, and if I click on one, I found a recipe. And completely down, there is the name of the author. So, if you go up, you click on the logo to go back on the main page. The second feature is the special needs. So, if you only place your mouse on the title, you have 7 articles written by a specialized educator, and it's really helpful if you want to know, for example, tactics for helping children take care of their body. And as you can see, this is from Mode Zubé. But if you click on the title, like that, you will see all the articles, all available articles in the website. So those are from different people like moms, educators, and more. And the last feature I'm going to display is EducTV. You can find videos about different topics like art, games, recipes. For example, if I want to sing or dance with the children, there are songs that I can find in the most watched videos section or the new videos section. So usually those videos are from YouTube. So I'm going to show you one. The Christmas freeze dance. As you can see, it's from YouTube. So this website is definitely useful for early childhood educators, teachers, and parents, but also for anyone who would like to find some ideas to work or just have fun time with children. So thank you for listening and watching. Goodbye.